Hello everyone! In this video I'll show you some cool gadgets from AliExpress that many people didn't even know existed. Also, at the end of this video, there will be a giveaway for one of the products that I showed in previous videos. You just need to like this video and leave a comment. Enjoy watching everyone! The first product is the DVS 200 soldering station from Fnirsi, and the power of this station is 200 watts. It comes with two soldering irons for different types of tips. The cable for connecting to this station has a connector exactly like the one used in computers. The soldering iron is connected and then secured with a nut so it can't be accidentally pulled out. The soldering station kit also includes 10 different types of tips. The larger tips fit one of the soldering irons. By the way, the handle of the soldering iron is made of a soft and very pleasant material. The smallest tips can't be inserted into this soldering iron, they fit the other one. The soldering iron stand is also made with high quality. It has a considerable weight, so it will be stable. A brass brush is inserted into it, which is used to clean the soldering iron tip. We press the power button, then OK, and the tip starts heating up instantly. As you can see, in just a few seconds, the tip has already heated up. The soldering iron's temperature adjusts from 100 to 450 degrees. The soldering station has ready-made temperature presets that can be changed using the return button. On the soldering station, there are two rubber plugs on the sides. If you take them out, you can connect special clamps there, which are included in the kit. As you can see, you get what's called a third hand, which allows you to hold various small parts for soldering. By the way, you can insert the tip into the holes on the soldering station and on the soldering iron stand. Another interesting and important detail included in the kit is a cord with two connectors and some kind of antenna. You need to use the cord to connect the station and the soldering iron stand and then attach the so-called antenna to it. The manufacturer made this as protection against static and induced voltage, so that no component gets damaged while soldering circuit boards on it. Secure the soldering iron wire in the antenna clamp first, so you can solder the board without worrying about damage. As you can see, the soldering station is well designed and costs just under $100. The second item comes in this wonderful case, Subtitle Editor. Inside there's a cable with a Type-C connector, a manual, and the NVC 40 night vision device from Fnirsi. The device has a mount for attaching it to a tripod, and it runs on an 18650 battery. Let's turn it on and see how everything is set up. As you can see, the menu is in Russian. Let's see what resolutions and shooting modes it has. Maximum quality is 4K. Turning the left lens adjusts the focus for sharpness. The right lens controls the night illumination, which only the camera can see. Now to test this device, let's go outside. With just the press of a single button, you can take photos. All recorded material can be viewed on the device or by connecting it to a computer with a USB cable. I think such a device would be useful for hunters or fishermen. It comes with a large 32 GB flash drive, and the NVC 40 is charged using a regular charger with a Type-C connector. And now I'm showing footage of the same place, only at night the camera can't see anything at all, just the light in the window, at home. We turn on the first level of illumination and now you can see a little bit. Now the second, as you can see, it's even better. By the way, as I mentioned earlier, you can't see the illumination with the naked eye, only through the device's screen, and the maximum illumination level is the third one. Here's this wonderful device that costs just over $50. If you're interested in where to buy it, the link will be in the description. The third gadget is the SWM 10-spot welder from Fnirsi. It's compact in size and runs on a built-in 5000 mAh battery. It has a convenient stand so you can place it vertically. Continuation. The set includes high-quality welding cables that are very flexible and don't break. We connect the cables and then we turn on our device. All settings are in seconds. First is preheating, set to 2 seconds before welding. Second is pulse time or power. Third is the interval, displayed as 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is this how many times the welding will be performed? I'll be testing the welding on a blade from a utility knife. I just touch the electrodes and the welding happens at the desired spot. These are the 2 spots you get almost at the minimum settings. To add more power, you just increase the pulse duration. Let's try it for 17 seconds. As you can see, this is more powerful. You adjust power by changing pulse time to weld metals of different thicknesses. The max pulse time is 30 seconds. I'll set it and see what happens. As you can see, for this metal, that's too much power because it burns through it. Now I'm setting the minimum pulse time. By the way, about the contest I mentioned at the beginning. If this video gets 100,000 views, I'll randomly pick a winner from the comments and send you one of the gadgets I've reviewed in previous videos. I'll hold the giveaway in my Telegram channel. The link is also in the description, so leave your comments. One of you might get lucky. Now I'm doubling both the pulse time and the number of welds. I keep the electrodes on until welding occurs twice. As I said, the maximum number of welds can be set to 5 times. After welding, the electrodes need to be cleaned a bit with sandpaper because they get dark. There are also spare electrodes included, which are easy to replace. They're threaded and easily unscrewed with pliers. This device charges using a regular Type-C charger, and the screen displays the voltage, current, and power. After a bit of practice, you can move on to welding a 18650 battery. For this, the kit includes several meters of nickel strip. As you can see, it welds everything securely. The cost of this welder is less than $40 and the link to it is also in the description. Thank you all for watching the video and goodbye everyone.